it's Riyashree and thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today's video is about my fridge organization and I hope you will like this one. This is the current condition of my fridge, completely messy, not at all organized, and finding something from here has become very difficult. So it's time to organize and transform this area from this to this. When it comes to organize an area, my favorites are bins and basket. I have invested in these two versatile bins. They come with a lid and 3 smaller bins. These smaller bins I will be using for organizing the fridge vegetable drawer. Organizing veggies in this way not only gives us a clear picture about the stock of the vegetables but also makes it very easy to pick and choose. One of these big size bins I will be using for storing bulkier vegetables. For this week I am storing raw papaya and capsicum in it. And I am keeping this box right above the vegetable drawer in the fridge. This setup 3 basket I got from Amazon and a very versatile organizer as they come with removable divider. By using these dividers, one can divide this basket into 2 or 3 sections. In this basket, I am storing mangoes and sweet lime. And this basket I am using to keep ingredients handy while cooking. I am storing ginger, lemon, green chilies and coriander leaves in this. These containers I am using to store garlic paste, ginger paste and peeled garlic, storing them in this small basket for easy access. In this airtight clear containers I am storing sambar onion and extra green chilies. As these green chilies are extra and will be used later, I am destemming them to keep the chilies fresh for long. These boxes are very good for storing leafy vegetables as they come with a drain plate, that too raised. These drain plates drain all the moisture from the stored vegetables and keep them fresh for long. I am storing extra coriander leaves and red amaranthus in these. This acrylic box I'm using for storing eggs. This can hold 12 eggs. In this airtight glass container, I'm storing dosa batter. And in this one, I'm storing paneer. Submerging paneer completely into the water keeps it fresh and soft. But don't forget to change the water every day if you are storing paneer like this. Storing these items in the first shelf of the fridge, as this is the coolest area. In this acrylic bin, I am storing all the bread spread like mayo, peanut butter, normal butter, and I am also storing dahi in this, as this bin will be kept in the first shelf. And the rest of the space in this shelf is for storing leftover food, if any. This is the first shelf of the fridge door. Here I store items related to baking like choco chips, baking powder, baking soda, and I also store essences here. The second shelf of the fridge door I have completely dedicated for storing spices and sauces. In here, in the third shelf of the fridge door, I'm storing milk and juice bottles and some grab and go snacks like pomegranate, grapes and coconut chunks. The fourth shelf does not have much space. I'm storing here peanut bars. And this is how the refrigerator is looking right now. In this container, I am storing frozen peas. Also freezing some bananas for smoothie. And in this smaller basket, I am storing ice cream. In the left side of the freezer box, I am storing all the frozen items, and in the right side, I am storing non-veg. In this shelf of the freezer, I am storing ice cream and grated coconut. Lastly, in the first shelf of the fridge door, I am keeping an empty container for leftover onion and tomatoes and a half-cut lemon to eliminate bad odor, if any. And that was all about my fridge organization. I hope you will like this one, and if so, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care and stay safe.